So we are going to pass a charge through it. And let there be horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. Let it be B. The charge Q is going to proceed. Suddenly a certain amount of charge is passed through it and it is found to jump to a height. So suddenly means that it has passed through it. So at t equals 0, the charge was here. After some time t, it is available here. Then due to this flow of charge, so will there be any flow of current? As it is some average current we can define. I is equal to Q by delta T. So now BIL force will act on it. And the weight mg. So and for what duration of time this BIL force will act? For small duration of time. So shall I say some sort of impulse will act on it? So what is effectively, you have to take the rod and impulse will act here. So rather than BIL, let me just call magnetic impulse. This mg you need to show it. So what is the magnetic impulse? That should be equal to BIL into delta T. What is I is equal to Q by delta T, L delta T. So which is equal to BQL. And because of this magnetic impulse, what will happen to rod? The rod shall I say it will now will acquire velocity, because when impulse acts on a system it will acquire velocity. And now because of this velocity it will ascend to certain height. That height is what is asking. What should be v should be equal to h should be equal to v square by 2g. And this should be what is impulse jb equal to m into v. And what is substitute all the values? So h equal to v square is jb by m whole square by this is 2g. Let me write in this corner. Take this one. So now let me substitute all the values. H is equal to jb is what? M jb by m. jb by m will be only v square. So v square by 2gh. The charge passed through the conductor. Again, you have to trace it out. For that Q, you have to solve this equation. What height? I think height already we have got it now. So let me search for h equal to v square by 2g. So directly what happened? We should bring expression for now Q. How to bring Q? This is from kinematics only. Directly you can write it, no? But is asking the earth magnetic will be the charge passed through the conductor. He's asking expression for Q. He didn't ask any other thing. So we'll do one thing. This Q is what needed, no? This Q is what needed. So let me equate these two here. BQL equal to JB. JB is what? M by V. V is what? Root of 2GH. So Q equal to M BL 2GH.
So root 2 GH is in numerator.
Oh, V is equal to JB is equal to, yeah, it should be here, no? This other part h equal to v square here directly from kinematics you can write it. No need. Just I wanted to show you that all set of equations. This is hypothetical. Isolated charge making it to move. So again, what they do, they'll connect this rod to the spring. They'll pass a charge because of velocity of it'll go and compress the spring. So all other related problems will come. So when suddenly charge flows through a rod, what will happen? An impulse is set up. Rest all application problems you have to manage. When a charge suddenly flows through a rod, an impulse is set up. This idea, rest all everything